Many parents feel stuck in the same loop with their adult children. You talk, you remind, you push, and nothing changes. The truth is, real change often begins not with your child, but with you. When you shift the way you speak and act, the whole family energy shifts. Instead of saying, "You never help around here," try being specific and calm. From now on, you're responsible for taking the trash out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That one sentence changes the tone from complaint to clarity. When your child avoids responsibility, resist the urge to rescue. It's tempting to step in and just do it yourself, but every time you do, you teach them that someone else will carry their load. Pause, take a breath, and let them sit with the consequence. If they forget their laundry, don't rush to wash it. Let them wear the same shirt twice. This isn't punishment, it's life training. Shift your language too. Swap, "Why are you so lazy?" with "What's getting in your way right now?" That one question turns blame into curiosity and opens space for your child to reflect instead of defend. Encourage effort rather than results. "I noticed you updated your CV. That's a solid first step." When you give recognition for progress, even small ones, you lower their fear of failure and invite more action. And remember, your energy sets the tone in the house. If you speak in frustration, they feel pressure. If you speak with steady calm, they feel safety. Practice pausing before hard talks. Even one slow breath before answering can change the outcome. Boundaries are also part of this shift. Choose one area where you will no longer carry their responsibility. Maybe their phone bill, maybe dishes, and stick to it. Say, "This is now yours. I believe you can handle it." Then follow through without guilt. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but that's the space where growth happens. You don't need to overhaul everything at once. Start with one change this week. One clear agreement, one less rescue, one calmer sentence. These micro shifts build momentum, and over time, your child will rise to meet the structure you've created. Remember, the reset starts with you. When you model clarity, calm, and consistency, you give your child the best chance to step into their own responsibility. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe.